At Samsung's Galaxy A event, we got some hands-on time with the Samsung Galaxy A20, which recently went on sale in India. Here's our first look. The Galaxy A20 sits above the already launched Galaxy A10 but below the Galaxy A30 and Galaxy A50. It runs on Android 9 Pie with the company's One UI. It sports a 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a water drop notch that follows the company's Infinity V display design language. The phone is powered by the octa-core Exynos 7884 SoC and is available in a single storage configuration with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage. The storage can be further expanded via a microSD card. The Samsung Galaxy A20 packs a dual rear camera setup, which houses a primary 13MP sensor with a secondary 5MP sensor. On the front is an 8MP camera with a fixed focus lens. Additionally, the smartphone packs a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The Galaxy A20 comes equipped with a large 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support, as well as USB Type-C port. The Samsung Galaxy A20 has been given a 12,490 rupees price tag and is available in blue, black and red color variants in India. It competes with the likes of the Redmi Note 7 and Realme U1 in the country. That's it for our first look of the Samsung Galaxy A20. For more videos and information, check out gadgets360.com.